Okay, I have a really quick tip for you guys. Some of you might have seen this in my New Year's Eve video as well, but if you paint yourself and you put chunky glitter on yourself, then you've gotten chunky glitter stuck all over you before and you can't get it off, right? So I do this all the time, and I have found that if you roll some tape in your hand and you press this into your skin and roll it over your chunky glitter first before you take a towel and start smearing it into your hairline, it takes off a lot of it. So I'm going to show you what I do. Just do this and I press and look. Oh my gosh, that is what I would have smeared all over myself normally. And it just comes off. This is so much easier. Wig out on me. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Why didn't I do this a year ago? I have struggled with so much glitter all over me before. And the most amazing thing is that it picks up the tiny little pieces of glitter too, not just the chunky glitter. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I really like this tip. Again, if you guys paint your face, which most of you guys who are watching this are probably face painters, and you do this for events and stuff, use tape. This makes my life so much easier. Takes your makeup off too, but that's okay. All right, here, I'm gonna do it one more time. I'm gonna wrap a giant piece around, go straight in to my little headband. Oh my gosh, it's brilliant. Brilliant. Use tape to take your chunky glitter off and to get those fine pieces of glitter off of your skin and out of your hairline when they get stuck right there and you can't get them out. Brilliant. Hope you guys like this tip. Thanks for watching.